Hi, welcome to PM Lectures. Today I am going to share one of the research fellowship in India. The title is Summer Research Fellowship Program 2021. So every year the Summer Research Fellowship is offered by Indian Academy of Science. So this year for the next academic year they call for the advertisement in the month of September. So what are the general things? This application should be submitted online in a prescribed format. Okay, so this is entirely you're going to upload your application in online. So you can apply by the three websites. You can choose any. One is a www.ias.ac.in and second one is a www.insaindia.res.in and third one www.nasi.org.in. And second one, it is a mandatory to upload the mark sheets from class 10th till the last examinations. So if you are third year students, you want to upload your up to 4th semester mark sheet, or you are in second year students, you want to upload up to second semester mark list. So please have the scanned version of mark sheet in JPG format. So before starting the fill the application. And third one, only one application per candidate will be considered. Okay, so this is an application in online, so you don't need to create plenty of application. If you are engineering students or science students, you can apply in single application is sufficient. If you applied more than one application, then none of the application will be considered. Okay, so duplicate will be occur, so you can lose a chance. And answer all the columns indicated by the star, the mandatory to fill. The last date of the complete the application in online is November 30, 2020. So we have another nearly 75 days for complete this entire progress. The who's are eligible for this summer internship program. So we have the plenty of students are eligible. First one is a chemistry, mathematics, physics, and fourth one life science, and fifth one earth science, and last one engineering, and including computer science students. So these category departments are eligible for BS, BSc, BVSc. The only second year is only eligible for the applicant of students. And B Farm, third year and final year is eligible. Those who are engineering BE, BTech or BCA, the only second year and third year only eligible. For BR, second year, third year and final year is eligible. MS, MSc, MESc, MPharm, first year eligible. ME, MTech, those are postgraduate in engineering, MCA, MArch, first year only eligible. Those who are studying 5-year integrated, MS, MSc, MTech, MBBS, second year, third year and fourth years only they are allowed. For pharmacy students, third year and final years only. Those who are in dual degree BTech plus MTech, second year, third year, fourth year only. And dual degree for BE, MSc, second year, third year, fourth year only. Dual degree BS plus MS, second, third, fourth years only. Those who are integrated PhD, the only 1 and 2nd years only allowed. And particularly in MSc technology, first year and second year only allowed. So this internship, summer internship fellowship, they are applicable to teachers also. So teacher, they are continuing teaching the faculty in any college or university. The minimum percentage of average marks in the core subject only. Okay, from 10th standard up to post graduation should be 65%. So for the faculty, they are eligible to 65% or above for students. And the minimum percentage of the average mark does not apply for the teachers. Okay, the 65% only for the students. For there is no criteria for the teachers. And particularly for the PhD students are not eligible. So don't apply anybody studying the PhD. Integrated PhD is eligible for 1 and 2nd years only. So applicants who have availed the academics fellowship twice before are not eligible to apply. So this is important condition. And content, the applicant should include a write-up. The write-up with a minimum of 150 to 250 words as a specific area of the applicant. So these are engineering, particularly in mechanical departments. So you want to write what your plan in the research area. You want to write briefly in a 150 to 250 words. Indicate what she or he would like to learn and achieve through the fellowship. Okay, what is our aim of this fellowship? What are you going to do in this next 2 months of this internship program? It can also include the specific experiment or theory that the applicant want to work on, but not a general description of the area. The write-up should not be a copy and paste job from any sources. Okay, so copy and paste, they are easily find out. So you want to write your own content. So do not use specific scientific characteristics like phi, u, dot, etc. as a software will prevent you from the uploading the application with such characteristics. So don't use this special characteristic. Enclosures to application. Both student and teacher applicant must upload scanned version of the mark sheet from a 10th stand till the last examination of JPG format. The size not exceed 700 KB. Those who are teachers should upload their publication if any. On selection on authentication letter from the principal HOD, the necessary permission or leave of the absence will be granted should be sent by the post to the coordinator SRFB 2021 Indian Academy of Science, the Bangalore. Then other matters, the students must upload the contact details of one of the present teachers or head of the departments. So you get the upload the contact details. The academic will get in touch with the teacher and obtain the recommendation letter. So they will confirm you are the student. And 15th one, all decision regarding the selection of candidate will be sole discretion of the academics. The grievance or dispute concerning SRFB 2021 shall be addressed to the academy whose decision thereon shall be final. So if the candidate is found at any point of time to have submitted a false information, his or her fellowship will be cancelled and he will be asked to pay back the fellowship amount, travel allowance, etc. that has been paid to him or her. So don't mention any wrong data. Fill the form in online very carefully. Okay. So without prejudice to above 15B, the courts at the Bangalore city shall be for seeking judicial remedy if any other. So there's not a thing to discuss. And note important notes. The academic means Indian Academy of Science, Bangalore. Academics means Indian Academy of Science, National Institute of Academy, New Delhi, and the National Academy of Science, India. So we can access the 3 websites we can upload. So guide means a person from the list of scientists, faculty uploaded by the academics as a guide. So in a portal, we will get a number of guides available. We can choose this. The deadline is November 30, 2020. The application fee is nil. The apply mode is only online. And official website is www.ias.ac.in. Okay. Okay, all the best students. Hope this summer research fellowship program 2020 is very useful. So those who are in science background, physics, chemistry or mathematics or life science or engineering including computer science departments also eligible. So any future updates you can visit pmlectures.in. I will give the description in below link. We can go and check it. Thank you for watching the PM lectures. Thank you.